How to apply edge filter in FaceApp? First of all, open FaceApp and either take a new photo or select one from your gallery. After selecting a photo, it will automatically open in the editing screen. From the bottom filter menu, scroll through the available categories and tap on the one labeled edge. Once you open it, you will see different edge options like young, child, old, or other available variations. Tap on any of them to preview how your face looks with that edge effect applied. The app will process the image and show the changes instantly. Some filters are available for free, while others may be marked with a pro icon, which means they require a subscription. If you are happy with the result, tap the save icon in the top right corner to download the edited photo to your gallery. Now you know how to apply edge filter in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.